Great morning, everyone. Ninth class student, we were discussing chapter number 13. Why do we fall ill? Now, proceeding towards our next topic is principle of prevention. So, how we can prevent from getting infectious diseases? So, there are generally two ways of prevention of infectious diseases. Two ways by which we can prevent from the infectious diseases. First way is general way of prevention, and second is the specific way of prevention. Specific way and general way. So in general way of prevention, there is public hygienic. Hygienic is the most important for the prevention of the infectious diseases. To stay away from the infected diseases, we should be in the proper hygienic condition. Proper and sufficient food means eating nutritious food, and balanced diet is very much necessary for attaining good health. Everyone will make people healthy to resist infection. People proper and sufficient food for everyone. अगर आप proper food लेंगे, you will be diseases free. You will be in healthy condition. So this is the general way of staying away from the infectious diseases. Now, for the airborne diseases, they can be prevented by living in conditions that are not overcrowded. अगर airborne diseases से बचना है, for example pneumonia, common cold, so you should not be at the crowded place. And for waterborne diseases, it can be prevented by taking safe and clean drinking water. If you will take safe and clean drinking water, so waterborne diseases can be prevented very easily. Next is the vector-borne diseases. These are here are some vector-borne diseases. Vector-borne diseases can be prevented by providing clean environment. So there is no place for the breeding of the mosquitoes or fly. If they will not provide, अगर हम उन्हें environment ही नहीं देंगे breed के लिए, so the environment will be vector free. Next is the specific way of prevention. Specific way of prevention of diseases is only the vaccination. Vaccination is the only way. So vaccination होता क्या है? Vaccination is the insertion of the pathogen in inactive form already in the body. Then infection. Already infection होने से पहले ही हम inactive form में वो pathogen अपनी body में insert करवा लेते हैं. When the same pathogen will attack our body, so क्या होगा? हमारी body में power होगी, capability होगी, strength होगी to fight with that infection. This is the principle of vaccination. So getting free from any kind of infectious diseases, we should be vaccinated. The specific way to prevent infectious diseases is the immunization. Immunization क्या होता है? Immunization की process से हमारी immunity बढ़ जाती है to fight against that particular diseases. So vaccine provide the immunity. Vaccine आपकी body को immunity provide करेगा fighting with the infectious diseases. How many diseases are prevented? Like many diseases can be prevented by taking vaccination, like tetanus, diphtheria, whooping cough, measles, polio, etc. All these are the example of diseases that can be prevented. Our bodies have immune system which fight with the microbial infection. हमारी body में natural ability होती है to fight with the infection, to fight with the infectious agent. For example, here taken the example of typhoid. How it can be prevented? It can be prevented by proper sanitation and disposal of the fecal matter. Prevents the infection of typhoid. Next is the typhoid oral vaccine also prevent typhoid. TAP vaccination provide immunity for 3 years. TAB vaccination provide immunity for the 3 years against typhoid. Next is the prevention from diarrhea. So from diarrhea, community hygiene is also very important. First point is hygienic point of view. आप अगर साफ सफाई होगी आपकी सराउंडिंग में, the chances of getting the diarrhea are less. Eatable should be covered with prevent. Eatable should be covered to prevent contamination, any kind of contamination. Proper personal hygiene is also very important. Stale food should not be consumed. गंदा खाना नहीं खाना चाहिए. healthy food should be eaten by everyone. So next is the infectious diseases. Infectious diseases are caused by the microorganism or the microbe. These diseases spread in the community. Infectious diseases किससे spread हो रही हैं? By the microorganism. That microorganism can be bacteria, virus, fungi, unicellular organism like protozoa. So some multicellular organism like worm also cause the infectious diseases, but mostly it is caused by the microorganism. Infectious diseases caused by virus, जो वायरस से हो रही हैं कुछ बीमारियां, दे आर कॉमन कोल्ड, इन्फ्लुएंजा, डेंगू फीवर, एड्स एटसेट्रा. ऑल दीज आर द इन्फेक्शियस डिजीजेज दैट इज कोज्ड बाय द वायरस. बैक्टीरियल डिजीजेज, जो बैक्टीरिया से होने वाली कुछ बीमारियां, दे आर टाइफाइड फीवर, कॉलेरा एंड ट्यूबरक्लोसिस एंड एंथ्रेक्स. इसके अलावा कुछ स्किन इन्फेक्शन है. दिस स्किन इन्फेक्शन आर कोज्ड बाय द फंगस. नेक्स्ट इज द नॉन इन्फेक्शियस डिजीजेज. These diseases do not spread from one person to another. किस टाइप की हैं ये डिजीजेस? फॉर एग्जाम्पल डायबिटीज़ है, स्कर्वी है, डेफिशिएंसी, कोज डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड हॉर्मोन्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल डायबिटीज़ है, इट इज़ ड्यू टू डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ हार्मोन, and scurvy is due to deficiency of nutrients. These diseases do not spread. Allergic, when the body is hypersensitive to the foreign element. कुछ एलिमेंट के लिए हमारी बॉडी क्या है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव होती है. So we are in the condition of allergy, that is asthma. Asthma is non-infectious diseases. Next is the cancer. Cancer is the uncontrolled growth of certain tissue that result into the cancer. These diseases do not spread. Mental disorder, depression, anxiety, बहुत ज़्यादा एंगर आ जाना, भाई एकदम से गुस्सा आ जाना. So this is non-infectious diseases. Addiction, alcohol, ड्रग्स का एडिक्शन हो जाना, नॉन इन्फेक्शियस. डिजेनरेटिव, माल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंट ऑर्गन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हार्ट डिजीजेज, इज ऑल्सो नॉन इन्फेक्शियस डिजीजेज. So further we will continue our topic from this chapter in next video. Thank you.